Alright, let's have a quick overview with small practice. I create a form, I remove the previous forms, insert user form, and I want to make the agreement checkbox. Click and drag, enter, controller command backspace, I say I agree. And I want if user enable that, the command button get enabled, else get disabled. I change the caption here to next. And I want my default to be disabled. How can I do that? Of course, by initialize inside of the form code, or simply select your command button and make the enable to the false. Instead of choosing from list, if you double click here or under name, actually you could switch between the values. So by default, I make it disable. Here it is disabled. Okay. I click on the checkbox and say if checkbox1 dot checked, actually the value equal true or checked. You could use checked, but I prefer to use true. Then what happened? Command button 1 dot enabled equal true. And let's say end if. This is fine, but it is not complete. I will show you why. If I enable that, okay. But if I disable it again, it's still gonna work. So we need write more code. I could say else if it is value false then something, or of course if it is not true, it is false, so type else command button 1 dot enabled equal false. So if it is checked, enable that command button, else mean it is not checked, make it disable or enable equal false. Okay, and disabled. This is great for license agreement. In the next video, let's continue on for a password as an example. I'll close it and we will continue on the next video.